Machine guns. They're the relentless heartbeat of infantry combat, the instruments of suppression and firepower that shape battlefields. Every nation crafts its own, a blend of doctrine, terrain, and industrial muscle. Let's walk the firing line and meet the legendary machine guns that soldiers from the US, Russia, Germany, the UK, and China know. The M240B stands as the dependable workhorse of American forces, a 27-pound Titan firing potent 7.62 by 51mm NATO rounds at 650 rounds per minute. Born from the brilliant Belgian FN MAG design that emerged in the 1950s, this gas-operated warrior officially replaced the problematic M60 in 1997 after proving its superiority in desert storms, Arctic blizzards, and tropical monsoons. Its open-bolt design prevents dangerous ammunition cook-offs during sustained fire, while its chrome-lined barrel withstands 35,000 rounds before replacement. Infantry units praise their 1,800-meter effective range during convoy operations or mounted patrols, though its substantial weight demands crew teamwork and physical endurance. Alongside this heavy hitter operates the M249 squad automatic weapon, unleashing 5.56 by 45mm NATO Fury at 850 rounds per minute. At just over 16 pounds, this lightweight marvel accepts standard rifle magazines or 200-round belts, though belts dominate for sustained suppression. Introduced in 1984 to solve squad-level firepower gaps, its gas system and quick-change barrels allow gunners to walk tracers onto targets at 800 meters. Russia's battlefield dominance flows through the PKM, a 16.5-pound Titan firing the formidable 7.62 by 54mm R cartridge at 650 rounds per minute. Mikhail Kalashnikov adapted his legendary AK-47's long-stroke piston system to create this belt-fed masterpiece in 1961. Its fluted barrel dissipates murderous heat during 400-round continuous bursts, while its 1,000-meter effective range consistently outpaces comparable NATO weapons. The PKM shares ammunition with the SVD sniper rifle, a logistical masterstroke that simplifies supply chains during protracted conflicts from Chechnya to Ukraine. For mobile firepower, Russian troops rely on the RPK and RPK-74 platforms, essentially reinforced Kalashnikovs chambered in 7.62 by 39mm and 5.45 by 39mm, respectively. With 45-round magazines or 75-round drums, they maintain 70% parts commonality with standard infantry rifles. The modern RPK-74M variant added polymer furniture, reducing weight to under 11 pounds for airborne operations. During the brutal urban combat of Grozny, their 600 rounds per minute rate and familiar handling made them ideal for rapid assault teams clearing buildings. The newest RPK-16 incarnation embraces modularity with barrels that swap from 18 to 22 inches in seconds, blurring lines between riflemen and machine gunner roles in modern Russian tactics. The MG3 carries forward the terrifying legacy of Hitler's buzzsaw, the World War II MG42, retaining its blistering 1,200 rounds per minute rate with 7.62 by 51mm NATO ammunition. This 25-pound beast employs a roller-delayed blowback system that ejects spent casings at 45 meters per second, while its chrome-plated barrel handles 150-round continuous bursts. Typically mounted on tripods for stable area denial, Bundeswehr exercises demonstrated how a single MG3 can dominate a 100-meter frontage. Norwegian upgrades recently added titanium components to extend its service life beyond 2040, proving that some legends refuse to fade. Germany's MG5 represents the evolution of suppression, introduced in 2015 to to complement its predecessor. This 24-pound system employs a short-stroke piston that reduces recoil by 30% while offering selectable rates of 640, 720, or 800 rounds per minute. Its free-floated, cold-hammered barrel achieves remarkable accuracy for a general-purpose machine gun, while integrated Picatinny rails host advanced optics for precision fires beyond 1,200 meters. The L7A2 general-purpose machine gun forms the British backbone of firepower, a 24-pound, 7-ounce Warrior firing 7.62 by 51mm NATO at 850 rounds per minute. As Britain's licensed version of the FN-MAG, its tri-link belt feed minimizes jams in Falklands, peat bogs, and Afghan dust storms. Though requiring a 2-man crew for optimal operation, its sustained fire capability on the L4A1 tripod delivers devastating 10-round bursts at 800 meters. The L11A3 answered the British Army's urgent need for squad mobility, officially replacing the unreliable L86A2 light support weapon in 2018. Chambered in 5.56 by 45mm NATO, this ounce system combines a collapsible stock with a 16.5-inch barrel optimized for close-quarters battle. Paratroopers favor their 200-round soft pouches during airborne operations, while recent upgrades added modular rails for laser aiming modules. During urban combat in Basra, its 950 rounds per minute rate pinned insurgents, while Javelin missile teams maneuvered into position. The latest L110A4 iteration introduced hydraulic buffers to reduce wear during prolonged engagements, ensuring this Belgian-designed Minimi variant remains Britain's fireteam guardian angel. The Type 67 represents Chinese industrial ingenuity, blending Soviet SG-43 and RP-46 designs into a 25-pound, 3-ounce system chambered for the powerful 7.62 by 54mm R cartridge. Its unique gas adjustment knob adapts to extremes from Tibetan highlands to Hainan Island's humidity, while belt-fed 100-round can sustains 650 rounds per minute of fire. People's Liberation Army units relied on their tungsten core rounds during the 1979 Sino-Vietnamese War, where they penetrated bunkers at 800 meters during brutal hilltop defenses. North Korea's Type 73 copy remains in active service today, while its distinctive finned barrel remains instantly recognizable across Asian battlefields. The QJY-88 signals China's modern infantry vision, introduced in 1997 to complement the QBZ-95 rifle family. This revolutionary 9-pound, 7-ounce bullpup design fires specialized piercing incendiary rounds from its unique horizontal 95-round drum magazine, reducing the gunner's profile during jungle patrols. Special forces pair it with standard rifles, allowing ammunition pooling during extended operations where logistics fail. While sacrificing some long-range penetration compared to heavier counterparts, its quick-detach barrel and bullpup configuration prioritize mobility. The advanced QJY-201 variant introduced dual-feed mechanisms for mixing armor-piercing and tracer belts, showcasing China's commitment to evolving fireteam dynamics. These mechanical warriors embody their nation's battlefield philosophies through steel and smoke. America's M240B emphasizes vehicle-supported endurance through sheer mass and reliability, while Russia's featherweight PKM enables dismounted mobility across vast frontiers. Germany's MG3 transforms suppression into psychological warfare through sheer volume of fire, a doctrine forged in Eastern Front nightmares. Britain's L7A2 and L110A3 partnership reflects hard-won experience in balancing heavy support with squad agility. China's Type 67 and QJY-88 evolution demonstrates its journey from defensive posturing to mobile squad integration. Each design tells stories beyond technical specifications. The PKM serves 40 armies not through novelty, but because its simplicity triumphs when Siberian mud freezes actions. The M240B outlasted experimental replacements because sand cannot kill what has already conquered deserts. When electronics fail and satellites go dark, these mechanical titans continue their thunderous conversation across valleys and city blocks. From the deafening roar of sustained fire to the surgical crack of precision bursts, they remain the fury that shapes the fight, the unblinking guardians of infantry who trust nothing but steel, sweat, and proven design in warfare's darkest hours. So, which of these countries has the best machine guns and why? Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video.